On the evening of the 25th instant, at the Falls of Niagara, we met the enemy and had, I believe, one of the most desperately fought actions ever experienced in America. It continued for more than 3 hours, stubbornly contested on both sides. When about 10 o'clock at night, we succeeded in driving them from their strong position. Our loss was severe in killed and wounded. I have lost from our regiment in killed, wounded, and missing 126. The enemy had got their artillery posted on a height in a very commanding position, where they could rake our columns in any part of the plain, and prevented their advancing. Major McCrae, the chief engineer, told General Brown he could do no good until that height was carried, and those cannon taken or driven from their position. It was then evening, but moonlight. General Brown turned to me and said, "Colonel Miller, take your regiment and storm that work and take it." I had short of 300 men with me, as my regiment had been much weakened by the numerous details made from it during the day. I, however, immediately obeyed the order. We could see all their slow matches and port fires burning and ready. I did not know what side of the work was most favorable of approach, but happened to hit upon a very favorable place notwithstanding. We advanced upon the mouths of their pieces of cannon. It happened there was an old rail fence in the side where we approached, and undiscovered by the enemy, with a small growth of shrubbery by the fence, and within less than 2 rods of the cannon's mouth. I then very cautiously ordered my men to rest across the fence, take good aim, fire, and rush, which was done in style. Not one man at the cannons was left to put fire to them. We got into the center of their park before they had time to oppose us. A British line was formed and lying in a strong position to protect their artillery. The moment we got to the center, they opened a most destructive fire upon us, killed a great many, and attempted to charge with their bayonets. We returned the fire so warmly they were compelled to stand. We fought hand to hand for some time, so close that the blades of our guns crossed each other, but we compelled them to abandon their whole artillery, ammunition, wagons,